Around Christmas in 2024, I did a game jam with my friends. We just came together to build video games. A lot of us haven't ever built a single video game, so this was completely new and everybody built something different. We had 2 days. We started on Saturday and ended the thing on Sunday, and then played our games at the end. It was a lot of fun. It was a really cool experience, and I really recommend you to do that. And today I just wanted to play the game that I built back then and go a little bit through the technical aspects of it as well. It's really hard, so at the beginning I need to be a little bit focused, but then it gets easier with time and I have more time to explain the game and also look into some code. So let's just start it. It's very bare bones, so it's just going to start directly. We quickly need to build towers for defense. Let's see, do it like this so you can see me at the same time as well. And yeah, you see the game has creeps that come and go here through the map in a pretty fast pace at the beginning. The game is really unbalanced. The start of the game is actually really, really hard. If you make a mistake, you will already lose in the first 2 levels. But then I noticed it's really hard to balance a tower defense game, so it gets easier over time, and until it's way too easy, and it is not fun anymore because you just win. I'm not going to play it that long. You don't have to watch that. But yeah, basically, okay, we already at level 3. You can see creeps getting faster, getting stronger, but I have the right strategy to survive this. You see I have 10 lives, so we could let 10 creeps go through. We have 20 levels. Right now we're on level 4. Quickly build more towers. And yeah, the currency is yen. I don't know why I chose that, but it is apparently yen. We have 4 different towers. They're completely different in their stats. So you can see this one is like a base tower, but we also have like an artillery with like shoulder range. We have a machine gun that is firing way faster. Let's see if we make sense here. And we also have the sniper with super long range. Actually, yeah, later we can also like look into the game assets that I made. I totally forgot about it. So all of the assets here are also made by me. Wait, I need to stop talking for a while and update my turrets. I think the machine gun is pretty overpowered, so I'm just gonna keep building that one here. So yeah, I completely handmade all of the assets that you can see here. It's not a lot. It's just the creeps and the towers, but I made them so they also look kind of cool when you animate them. That was the goal. And okay, let's build some more. See, this one seems to be pretty strong. Okay, well, we still survive. Yeah, I think we're slowly reaching the phase where we have way more money than we need to spend. As I said, the balancing of this game broke my neck, and that's why I didn't finish it. I never shipped it, but it is playable. It's also playable on the iPad. It's actually a lot of fun. There too, you can just like tap where you want to build a tower and turrets and stuff. Okay, let's build some more of those, and we should be good to go. I maybe make myself a little bit smaller, and then on the left side we can put our game in here, the Xcode project, to go a little bit through it. I'm still going to build some more. Is it actually a good place? I don't know. Let's build some artillery here. Yeah, if not, we can always change. So first of all, yeah, you can see there's like a little bit of debugging going on here. And then this file here, the game C. So first of all, this is built with Actually, we wanted to have me here somewhere, maybe here. Does that work? Cool. So this is built with SpriteKit. This is like super long file. This is like all of the game's logic. And before I started doing this, I had no idea about how to like game loops or collision detection. And I noticed that this game engine, SpriteKit, makes it very easy. So I wouldn't say I enjoyed working with it, but it was not too hard to wrap your head around it. But you could notice that the framework is really old because it was not very Swifty. It's not super type safe and that kind of stuff. And it seems kind of like abandoned. I think it hasn't gotten an update in a really, really long time from Apple. It was fine for this game. So I'm just going to show you a little bit here the collision detection. Basically, there's like a delegate for the physics. And when two objects have contact with each other, there's this did begin delegate method and then a did end delegate method. And then basically you can just compare the bodies with each other. So every type, like a creep, a tower, and a bullet have their own node type. And we just compare that here to see like what hits what, and then figure out exactly what kind of creep node and what kind of bullet node gets hit. So then we can calculate the damage. And we can also, in the end, kill the enemy if it falls below like a certain health threshold. And we also use this to add targets to the tower. So the tower knows like, oh, I have a target and I'm going to aim at that target and shoot my bullets at that target. That's basically all that's happening here. And then the fun part was building out these like tower types. So you can see we have different attributes here. We have damage, we have range, we have rate, we have cost, all of these attributes, and they're set for each tower. Actually, let me quickly go back and build some more towers here before something goes wrong. I think this is pretty good here. Should we build a base tower here? I'm not sure actually what's better. Maybe 2 snipers. Something. Yeah, now we have all 4, right? Okay, cool. There's even a boss that is really strong. You can see in the logs here, sometimes the boss is popping up. So you can see the different towers. I just define them here. They have their own, each of them has their own images that I created for them in Sketch. And I also created these images for the creeps. Yeah, and the rest is just like, plus, this like grid foundation. Then actually, I don't know what this is for. Never used, I guess. Or maybe I tried to use it before. And then, we have waves. So every wave is defined. I think we have 20 waves in total. And every wave is just defined here by the type of units and how many units. And then it kind of like shuffles them and just emits them at random, spawns them at random. Very similar for the creep types. Creep types are defined here. They have health, they have speed, and the reward. So how much money you're getting when you kill a creep. And that's basically it. They don't have any logic, I guess. That's basically the whole game. I mean, I can also show you the map, but it's kind of boring because the map is just kind of manually defined here by me. I didn't use AI when I created this game, so I really wanted to learn it. So I didn't use anything like that. I just read blog posts and YouTube videos and that kind of stuff. So yeah. Oh yeah, I made this helper for the collision mask, so I can easily figure out if something that is colliding is a creep, a tower, or a bullet. But that's basically, I think, the whole game. There's not much more to show. I'm just gonna minimize this and maybe, I mean, now, okay, we already level 18, so maybe let's do full playthrough. It shouldn't take that much longer, I guess. We can maybe speed this up by building artillery here and some more sniper that can reach. Yeah, let's do this. Let's add some sniper. So they can start shooting right away. Otherwise, we can just put artilleries here everywhere. I don't know which unit was the strongest one, but this should be enough. You can see the problem is balancing this. Like, I have no experience in building video games. I didn't know about balancing. I thought I can build like a compelling game in 2 days. I was really happy, and it was really satisfying to build the whole game mechanics and get that going. A lot of fun. I really recommend it. But then the balancing part was super hard, and I still have no clue how to do it. Like, as you can see, the first levels were really hard. I barely had any money. Now I have way too much money, and the creeps don't even come that far. So I probably either need to kind of like limit the rewards that I'm getting, or change the towers a little bit, or just have way more creeps that come in every new wave. Otherwise, this game gets boring around like level 8 or something, I think, is the tipping point. Yeah, when we tested this game, like obviously we tested it after we had the game jam, we played each other's games. Some people built like really cool games in Godot. I mean, there were more like sketches of games. They also didn't come that far because they first had to learn like the Godot engine and stuff. But I liked what they built as well. They built some 3D car games, racing games, or tried to build racing games. They also didn't finish them. And I think I would love to try to get into Godot as well. It looked like a lot of fun. And I saw that there's also, I think it's called Xodo, or I don't know how you pronounce that, but basically a version where you can use Swift to program Godot. I think it would be a lot of fun to get into as well if I would have the time. This was just SpriteKit. But yeah, balancing. I don't know. Really have to get into balancing next time to be able to finish my game, because it's not fun to play it like this. As you can see, this is completely on autopilot because everything I built is completely overpowered. But yeah, it should come to an end soon. Does this fire here? Can we help it a little bit here? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, building video games is a lot of fun. That's what I can say. I think I would do it more if I would have the time. If I wouldn't have to worry about money, I think it would be really cool to go deep into video games. It was a lot of fun creating that. And by the way, for this game, I had the idea to make the multiplayer. Oh, is that it? No. To use multi-peer connectivity for the multiplayer, so you can play this game with your friends in like a local setting. And then once you earn money, like you have like way too much money, you can just spend it to send creeps to your friends. So yeah, the first one to die loses basically, and the last one standing wins. And you could just spam your opponents with creeps, which I think maybe could also solve the balancing problem a little bit. I'm not sure. But that was a really fun idea. I unfortunately didn't get to that part. I tested it though. I had an idea to how to implement it, but I didn't have enough time at the end. Yeah, I hope this is over soon, so we can wrap up the video. But yeah, if you like want to try to create your own game, I really recommend it. Do it. It was absolutely worth it. And do a game jam if you have friends that are into that kind of stuff as well. Perfect. It's over. Okay, that's all I wanted to show today.